Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a smooth whip pan transition in Adobe After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition. These are my comp settings and once everything looks good, click OK. Now drag and drop your two video clips onto the timeline. Since my composition is 10 seconds long, I'm dividing both the videos into 5 seconds each. Just like this. Now go to Layer, New, Adjustment Layer, and drag this adjustment layer to the very top of your timeline. Right click on the adjustment layer, go to time and time stretch and set the new duration to 10 frames. After that, slide the adjustment layer to the point where both clips transition into each other and make sure the adjustment layer sits evenly across both the clips. Now open Effects and Presets tab and search for Offset and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Then search for Fast Box Blur and apply that as well. Move your playhead to the first frame of the adjustment layer. Create keyframes for Shift Center to and Blur Radius. Press U on your keyboard to reveal all the keyframes together. Now move the playhead to one frame before the end of the adjustment layer. This is where the transition will complete. For the offset effect, adjust the X or Y coordinates depending on the direction you want. If you want a vertical whip, adjust Y, and if you want a horizontal whip just like me, then adjust X. I'm setting my X value to -960 to complete a full cycle. Then create another keyframe for blur radius. Drag both of these keyframes to the final frame of the adjustment layer. Now open the blur dimension drop-down, select horizontal for a horizontal transition or vertical if you are doing a vertical pan. Increase the blur radius to 50. Then select all the keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant and choose Easy Ease. With the keyframe still selected, open the graph editor, right-click inside the graph and make sure you are editing the speed graph. Now on the first keyframe, grab its handle and drag it all the way to the right up to 80%. Then select the second keyframe, grab its handle and drag it all the way to the left, also up to 80%. Then exit the graph editor and that's it. Your whip pan transition is ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.